Okay, so today I'm changing my rusted tailgate. So this is how bad it is. Even though the rust remover took care of the rust, I'm not seeing like it's spreading rapidly, but it's just slowly. I still got holes in here, yeah, and I could still see flakes inside coming out from here, which means that there are still more rust inside. Yeah, so this Memorial weekend there was a sale and I found one for the hybrid exactly like this color. So basically the first thing you need to do is basically take out the hose from the third brake light, and I took it, and then disconnect the wires from here. Basically I removed the weather stripping to access this one too, and there's like two plastic pins in here that yeah, over here and one over here, and once that's removed you could actually like fish this out. You could fish this out so that you could easily remove them. Yep. Same thing with this one. You need to do this so that you could take out the hatch or the lift gate easily as one unit. This one stays in the body. Now there are two bolts for this one down here. Yep, and this one is just the guide. Same thing with this. I think the other one is 13 and then the other one is 10 mm. So I gotta take that out. Before that you need a helper to help you, because this will drop down. So I took the pins off on the support struts so that when I lift it out it will easily fall off. Yep, this will just fall off when you put some stress on it, like put some force on it. So removing the center bolt. Yep. Actually, I have to remove this one to have more clearance for the headliner. Let's see. It's just a 13 mm bolt. So this is how it looks like without the lift gate, and the lift gate's over there. I have to get the windshield washer, I mean the wiper, actually the wiper. Have to swap the brake light, and this is the replacement. Yep. They just took away the wipers, but there's no rust in there. The only defect is this one. Rust starts to come, but I could just put a touch of paint in there. That should fix it. So I got to swap out the lock actuator on the new one because it's not working, but my old one is actually working. So yep, it's gonna be there, and I'm going to take that out. Only 3 torque screws and the electrical connectors. So yep, taking this out. And the those are the two connectors. This one, take this out, and then there's one down there. Once the 3 torque circles are gone, disconnect this connector. Yeah, it's tough to take this out. No, I don't know why. I'm trying to put this back in. Wrong side. Yep. Those yeah, it should align with the 3 holes in here. Yep. Tightening the torque screws. Yep. Tighten. Yep. Tighten. That connector. It's way down there. And this one. Should have put it first. So that. This one is easy. Yep. The other one, I think this is it's just done. Okay, all connected, and we'll see if it opens up. Okay, cool. And this one, yep. So, problem with the windshield wiper was that my old one is broken, so no windshield wiper for a while. So here's the reason why I'm putting in a new tailgate, because I'm going to put in a video camera, a rear camera, and this is the rear camera that I have. I drilled a hole in here, and I need to drill a hole in here too, because there's no like access for the wires, even for the lights. I think it's over here. That's way too much routing for the wire. I have only a short wire, and then it goes here. Yep, this is the connector for the camera, and then it goes here to this rubber grommet, and then it goes to the body, and then it goes here, down here, and then I put in the wiring for the reverse tail light. This is the positive side, and I'm going to route this to the front, to my CarPlay unit. Yep. Oh, I got another busted bulb, so I'm going to replace it with this one from my old unit, my old part. Let me see, I cannot do it with but yeah, you're gonna put this one. So bulb is in, and then you're going to screw this one, screw this to the receptacle here, over here. You just like turn it clockwise. Yep, got it screwed in, and so this is the installation, which is the reverse of removal. So you put that one first here. That's it. Then okay, and the replacement one is also busted. Oh, we'll try the other one. Yep. Oh, well. Which ones? Oh, this side. So there's a slot in there. Take this out. Screw it. Maybe this one is fine. Pull it out. working. So, oh, it's just not, oh, weird. It's loose. Weird. Weird, what it loose. Oh, it's tight.